cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night. Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherie, and welcome to Cherie's Life of Luxury. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go if you like what you see, of course. And today we are having a chill winter night vibey Shein haul. Okay. I'm gonna be starting out with 5 sets of nails, and I'm going to show you guys what they look like up close and give you some details about them. First ones I got these brown, they're not stiletto, they're actually like coffin shape, but really pointy coffin shaped nails. I love these, perfect for this season. Very on trend, since you know we're doing brown this season, honey. We're doing it up with the brown. And these were another pair that I really like for this season as well. Are still like a light brown color, a white design with white lines. I think that's really cute, like a French tip almost design. This is a 24 pack, so when you order from Shein, you get more than when you buy nails just from the store, and you get a better deal. All of these nails were between $1.50 and $3.50 per pack, and they come with either 24 nails or 27, which means you could literally do a full set, 10 nails, and then if you lose one or whatever, you have extras, plus you have enough for another full set. And that gives you the ability to switch your nails out pretty often. Then I got these. These are like a French tip type of nail. And I really like these because the nail beds of the French tip are really dark. And I think that's gonna look really natural and pretty on my nails. These are just a plain pink pair of coffin nails. They're very classy and pretty. I love this shade of pink. I feel like it's good for year round, a very neutral color, and goes well with anything. So this came in a pack of 24 as well. And then the last pair that I got, I really love these. These are really my favorite. This pair came with crystals or rhinestones on the nails, and they come with 2 nails with a lot of crystals, like fully covered in crystals, and then they have a couple nails that have just the rhinestones, and then they have some ombre nails as well, ombre from that nude color to white on the tips. So I think that's really cute. And some of the other nails have rhinestones on them too, just not fully covered in rhinestones. I think these are going to be perfect for New Year's. So cute, fancy, and it's going to look like I got my nails done. So in all, I probably paid at most between $12 and $14 for all 5 boxes of those nails. So I'll have plenty of nails. I probably won't run out of press-on nails anytime soon. Check out Shein.com. This is not sponsored. This is not promoted, anything like that. Check them out for your press-on nails. Save coins, sis, because even if you get them from a drugstore, they cost more than $1.50 for 24, closer to $7 or $8. If you order them from Shein, they will be between $1 and $3. Save them coins, sis. Rack up like I did, and that way you don't have to keep buying them. So next, let's go ahead and get into the shoes that I got. I have been on a hunt for these booties, literally a search for the longest, literally for like the past 2 to 3 years. I had a pair and they kind of were like the ones I wanted, but they weren't exactly what I wanted. So I'm so glad I finally found them on Shein. I got them on the Black Friday sale. But let me stop rambling. Let me just show you the shoes, honey, because they're so fire. Okay, so these are the shoes. I wore them today, so they're already a little wrinkled up and worn, but these are the boots. They are very long around the ankle, very tall on the ankle, so it covers my entire ankle, which I love. They're height of combat boots, but they're not. They're plain black, which is what I needed for wearing with like wide leg pants, or boot cut pants. Literally, that's why they're called boot cut pants, so you can wear them with boots like this. I needed some to wear with my skinny jeans, leggings. These are perfect for all of the above. Skinny leg jeans, boot cut jeans, flare leg jeans, and leggings. These are gonna look fabulous I can't remember if they had different colors, but I'll definitely link it down below in the description box so you guys can check them out, see if they still have them in your size and in the color that you're looking for. Love, love, love. So the first thing I picked up was this zebra print sweater. I would say sweatshirt, but it's a little bit thinner. It's not like a sweatshirt really. It's more like a sweater. So cute. I got it in a 3X. I probably could have gotten it in a 2X, but I always size up on Shein. I got the zebra print sweater because I really wanted something to go with my Yeezys. So let's see if they go together. I think it's a look with some black skinny leg jeans. I think that'll look so fire together. I could wear it with the boots I just showed you guys, or some like thigh-high boots or whatever dress. I could dress it up, but if I just wanted to dress it down, I could wear it with my Yeezys. Perfect. And it's not too thick, so I could actually wear it over into spring as well if I want to make looks with it early next year. So you might see that sweater a few times, y'all. For real. I like it. So the next thing I got is this dress. It's this beautiful like oatmeal color. It is not that thin, but if you stretch it, it is. It does get a little thinner, but it's that rib material. It's actually a nice stretchy material, very soft. It is long sleeves. What size I get this in? In a 3X, y'all, and I should have got it in like a 2X. But I'm gonna try it on for you guys. I'm gonna put it on and show you how it looks on the body. I love the way it looked on the model, so I hope it looks like that on me. And we're gonna see when I try it on. You guys will probably see over here what it looks like. I love the length because now I can actually wear this to work or church or something like that. It's not super short like a mini dress, and it does have like this tie belt around the waist. You'll see how it looks when I try it on. Okay, the next thing I got is a pretty plain basic. It's like a basic item that I needed in my closet. I pretty much got some things that were out of my comfort zone, and then I got some things that were basics, and this is a basic. So this is basically just a white long sleeve sweater. It's very stretchy as well, also stretchy at the bottom. And then it has this crisscross detailing or wrap detailing in the front. I would totally dress this up. If it didn't have the crisscross at the bottom, I would probably dress it down with sweatpants. But since it has this crisscross detail, I'll probably be dressing it up with jeans. Yeah, probably jeans. Different types of jeans though, so I can switch it up. So maybe some flare leg jeans, and then maybe some light wash skinny jeans, or black flare leg jeans, something like that. So a nice little basic. I consider that brown tan dress a basic as well, just because it's a neutral color. It's something I can wear anywhere, anytime, day, night, out to a party, to work, church, whatever. I feel like that's a basic. Next, I have something that is out of my comfort zone. I just said that it's either a basic or out of my comfort zone. So this is a printed dress. So freaking cute. I got this in a 3X as well, so we'll see how that fits. It's probably gonna fit good. It's just gonna be a little bit loose at the bottom. I would like my dresses to be a little tighter at the bottom, like when it hits near my knees, but like I said, y'all, as long as it comes down long enough for me to be able to wear it to any occasion, I love it. When they're too many and I'm like, oh, I can't wear this, I ain't gonna be able to get away with this anywhere but the club, I don't really like those type of dresses. So I love this print. It's almost like a marble print, and I don't really see people wearing this type of print on their dresses. Usually if I do see this type of print, it's on like a mesh shirt. So I think that's what they were going for, like that mesh shirt look, because of this. Look at the stitching. At first I thought the shirt was on the wrong side. I was like, why they package this shirt up on the wrong side and send it to me? But that's how it's made. But as you can see, the material is pretty thick. You can't really see through it, and it's very stretchy. Great material, and very soft. It's not ribbed, but it is very stretchy. So I love that dress. So cute. It's gonna be bomb with some thigh-high boots or even just knee-high boots with a little heel on them with a cute little black bag. Oh, that's gonna be fire. And dresses like that, you don't really have to like overdo it with the jewelry and the makeup. Probably keep it neutral with the face with either a red lip or a clear lip, period. And if you look up close, it has hints of gray as well. It's not just black and white, it's black, white, and gray, which is what gives it that marble effect. Next thing that I got was another basic. Basic. You know what I'm saying? We love a good basic. This is just a black turtleneck shirt, long sleeves. It's not cropped or anything. Basic black. I think this is more of a mock neck than a turtleneck, but I guess it could be considered either one. Love it. Love it, love it. Keep my neck warm. This is the last clothing item. So the last clothing item that I have is another basic, just a white turtleneck, same as the black one, long sleeve, not cropped, mock or turtleneck, whatever you want to call it. And now what I will say is Shein definitely hit the mark when, you know, making sure that the sleeves were long enough and the shirt was long enough, you know, it wasn't too short or whatever. So I feel like they definitely hit the mark on that. I did get both of these in a 3X. So I feel like they'll be nice and roomy and not choking me. But what I will say also is that the shirt itself is a little bit thin. Like you can see my nails through the shirt. So it is a little bit thin, definitely a layering piece. And the black one is a little bit thin as well. On a scale of 1 to 10 of how thick I wish it was, it's like a 4.5. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you do decide to order those turtlenecks. But like I said, they're perfect for layering. Probably layer the black one with something like this, just like a basic little jacket. The jacket is doing enough, so I wouldn't really need a sweater that's too fancy or anything. So I would pair the black one with something like this, and then I would pair the white one with, you know, either like a blazer or just a cute cardigan. Next is jewelry. Okay, so as far as jewelry goes, I did get tons of rings. So one of the rings that I got is a Cartier Love bracelet dupe. And I love this ring. They got the thickness, perfect. They got the diamonds in there, perfect. It's just giving. And it actually has a nice weight to it too. It's a little bit bigger than my normal ring size. So I think it comes as like a size 8. If you do cop this ring from the link below, just know that this is like a size 8. Typically their rings run like between a size 6 and 8. So when I got this multi-pack of rings, this actually, the multi-packs on Shein, they really come different sizes. So honestly, anybody who orders these rings, you'll get your money's worth because you'll at least be able to fit a few rings in the pack or be able to put them on several fingers. That's why they come in different sizes, so you could put them on different fingers. You can put them on your thumb, your ring finger, pinky, pointer finger, whatever. They're very, they're very similar to the rings that I got in my last Shein order. They might actually be the same ones now that I'm looking at them. Yeah, I think they are because they look very familiar. The only thing about Shein rings is they do tarnish really fast, so keep that in mind. So this is what they look like on. Very cute. Some of them are glam with the little diamonds and rhinestones, and some of them are more neutral with just gold, like a vine look. This one's like gold feathers. With this Cartier Love ring dupe, there actually came a Cartier Love bracelet that matched it. It's not this one, but it looked just like this one. It just was a little too small for my wrist, so it kept popping off my wrist every time I moved my wrist because the way they close is just a little snap closure. So every time I turned my wrist, it would just come unsnapped because it was too small, I guess. It fit on there and it closed, but when I moved it around, it kept popping off. So I gave it to my coworker. Merry Christmas. I also got some ankle bracelets as well. I'll make sure I turn the camera around and show these to you guys. But They're really, really cute. I love this chain link detail that they all have. They're all different chain links. I already have one on my ankle, so yeah, it came in a pack of 5. I don't know why I can't talk tonight. Oh my god. It came in a pack of 5 ankle bracelets for $1.50. I love that for me. So I'm already wearing one. I typically, when they come in a pack of 5, I typically just put them on 1 or 2 at a time so that they can last me, since like I said, jewelry from Shein changes really fast. So yeah, I might put some clear nail polish on this Cartier ring because I actually want it to last for at least like a month or 2. Typically they change within 2 to 3 days if you get them wet at all. We stuck to the basics and the things we needed. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas this far. I'm excited to be doing Vlogmas this year, honestly. I told y'all I was in this for the long run, so you can see I'm in it for the long run. Consistency is key. So y'all make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below if you enjoy Shein hauls, fashion hauls, jewelry hauls, nail hauls, clothing hauls, shoe hauls, whatever. If you like any type of fashion girl hauls, go ahead and subscribe because you know it's the Christmas season, so there are definitely more hauls to come. And if you like it here on my channel, make sure you hit the post notification bell so you'll be notified when I post. And you share my video. Like, you know what I'm saying, subscribe, post notification bell, like, share. And then if you're feeling fancy, you can come leave me a little comment down below. You know, no pressure or anything. You know. I do reply, I do respond. And speaking of the comments, you guys, I've been getting some good feedback on my Vlogmas videos in the comment section. So shout out to y'all who are leaving comments. I love you. I see you. And if you leave a comment, then you know I always reply. We have little conversations going in the little comments. So make sure you drop yours down below. Follow me on Instagram @luxury. Make sure you're tuned in here, tuned in like TV tomorrow. Bye.